Top Ielts connectors. Because, since, owing to, due to, even though, although, albeit, though, and, moreover, furthermore, in addition, but, however, nevertheless, on the contrary, so, therefore, consequently, as a result, like, similarly, likewise, correspondingly, also, additionally, besides, what's more, that's why, hence, therefore, accordingly, really, indeed, undoubtedly, significantly, very, extremely, exceptionally, remarkably, before, prior to, earlier, previously, then, afterward, following death, thereafter, or, alternatively, otherwise, conversely, when, whenever, at the time, as soon as, while, whereas, meanwhile, at the same time, as well, along with, together with. These are some of the top Ielts connectors and the words that you can use in place of them.